So we just spent, 2 days, full packed days with Jarvis Bay Wild here in Huskinton. And it all started with us having lunch in their cafe. And it's not really a cafe, I would say it's a really nice restaurant with a really nice deck at the water. So just right at the water you can have a drink looking out at the docks. It's a beautiful location for a restaurant. We had such a good fish and chips, and you can have a lot of things. And what happened after that, we went on a kayaking tour and a stand-up paddle. So the good thing part is usually have to go back and forth. But what they did, they took a boat and they drove us to the place we're going to start, and then we just kayaked and paddled all the way back to the harbor. So we only went one way, and that's really nice. It was really nice with the birds and really good nature, and it's such a nice mangrove, part of the trees, like a forest or whatever you want to call it, the mangroves. And then the day after we went on a whale watching tour. So we went on a speedboat, so a super fast boat, but you sat really comfortable, and we went super fast out of where we should be, and what we saw was 2 whales, and they came super close. You're not allowed to go super close to the whales, but if they come up to you, it's amazing. So they come up just right next to the boat, and we could really see them on a close distance. And we also saw seals and the dolphins, and really beautiful nature as well. And now in this evening, maybe this was supposed to be a calm and calm, collected sunset tour, but we turned it more to a not so calm, but a really nice sunset tour with music and wine and cheese, and you can have a cool drink here and just look at the nature, and the boat goes super smooth, and you can just relax, look at the sunset. And the sunset is in a couple of minutes, so we're going to enjoy that really well. So we had 2 really nice days with Jarvis Bay Wild.